Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Honda Fit, transforming it into a personalized vehicle. The Honda Fit is an incredibly versatile car, offering a fantastic blank canvas for customization. Whether you aim for a performance boost, a unique aesthetic, or enhanced daily driving comfort, this guide will help you explore the possibilities. Many affordable aftermarket parts make it an accessible project for enthusiasts. To boost your Fit's performance, consider engine modifications like a cold air intake or ECU tuning, which can unlock extra power and efficiency. For improved handling, coilovers and a rear sway bar can significantly enhance stability and cornering. Don't forget about safety. Upgrading your brake calipers and rotors will provide much better stopping power, especially with increased performance. Beyond performance, you can truly make your Honda Fit your own with aesthetic and comfort upgrades. Customize the exterior with eye-catching wheels, an aggressive body kit, or a distinctive vinyl wrap. Inside, consider racing seats, a short throw shifter, or even new floor mats for a fresh feel. Upgraded infotainment and soundproofing can also make every drive more enjoyable. Remember, careful planning and budgeting are crucial for any successful build. Research parts thoroughly and consider professional installation for complex modifications. Always prioritize safety by using the correct tools and following all installation instructions. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your downtime between wrenching sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.